A very easy question. RHS, if you take root A1 is actually pi R1 square, area of a circle. This is pi R2 square. This is pi R3 square. If we take 1 by root pi common, it is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. We know it is 1 by R. Okay. Either you can use it or you want to derive it also, hardly 2 more steps only, you can easily derive. It will become 1 by R, which is 1 by root pi R square, 1 by root E. Okay, so we'll see some more new formulas now. Okay, 19, everybody completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me ask one question. Let us see if somebody is able to answer this. This is in circle of a triangle. It is touching at these three places. This is A, this is B, and this is C. This point where it circle is touching, this is P, this is Q, and this is R. Okay. We know this total length is A, and this total length is B, and this total length is C, and S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. I want to know what is AR length, what is BP length, and what is CQ length. Each one of them separately in terms of A or B or C or S. PQR are points of contact of incircle with the triangle.
Sir, AR plus BP plus CQ equals to yes, sir.
Okay, I want only AR separately. What? BP how much? CQ how much?
Sir, R cot is A by 2, sir.
Not in terms of smaller. I specifically said I want it to be in terms of S, A, B, C. R cot ABT is good. We'll use it in another way later on. Yes, somebody said something.
Sir, AR equals to S minus A.
Yes, very good. First of all of you know AR and AQ will have same length, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From an external point, the length of tangent to the two tangents are equal, right? So I'm going to take let AR equal to AQ equal to X. Similarly, BR is equal to BP is equal to Y, and CP equal to CQ equal to Z. So this is X and X, this is Y and Y, this is Z and Z. What is X plus Y? C. What is Y plus Z? A. And Z plus X? B. If we add all of them, we'll get 2 times X plus Y plus Z is equal to A plus B plus C, which is 2S. When I cancel 2, we'll get X plus Y plus Z is equal to S. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, this is equation 4. From this, remove the first equation. Equation 4 minus equation 1 will give you Z equal to S minus C. So this length is S minus C and this length is S minus C. From equation 4, if you remove equation 2, you'll get X is equal to S minus A. And equation 4 minus equation 3, Y is equal to S minus B. So this is S minus A, S minus A, this is S minus B, S minus C, this is S minus A, S minus C. Okay, I want to erase the figure. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, this is triangle ABC. This is small a, this is small b, this is small c. They are extended. There is an X circle touching the this side and extends at LMN. I want to know what is BL length, CM length, and AN length.
Sir,
Yes, please.
AN equals to C plus B minus A by 2.
an equal to c plus b minus a by 2. Okay. In terms of s, you want to can you express
S
that?
minus A.
Okay. An is s minus a. All right.
Sir, BL equals to S minus C.
Okay. Okay. The previous one I'm erasing this whole thing. Okay. Shall I do the same way? Take that x, y, z and all like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think this is y and this is y I can take. This is z and this is z I can take.
Sir,
Okay.
equals to S minus B.
Yeah. Okay. Let BL is equal to BN is equal to y. CL is equal to CM is equal to Z. I can take X also, but let us see without that. A is equal to BC, which is equal to BL plus LC, which is Y plus Z. And AN and AM are equal, but AN length is C plus Y. And AM length is B plus Z. From here to here C and from here to here Y. From here to here B and from here to here Z. So here we got Y plus Z and here we got Y minus Z. I think we can solve and we can Y and Z. Y plus Z is equal to A, equation 1. Y minus Z equal to B minus C, equation 2. If we take equation 1 plus equation 2, 2y is equal to A plus B minus C, 2s minus 2c, y is s minus c. Equation 1 minus equation 2 is 2z is equal to A minus B plus C. From this I am subtracting this. That is 2s minus 2b, z is s minus b. And if you want AN length, that is AB plus BN. AB is small c and BN is y, and y we got s minus c. So AN is s itself, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think AN is s we can say quite easily. Why? This you bring it here, this you bring it here. When you take AN plus AM, directly you are getting perimeter of the triangle, which is 2s. So it is s. Like that also you can prove. Maybe I'll try to write that just to have some clarity. I will write like this: 2AN is equal to AN plus AN. AN is AB plus BN. AM is AC plus CN. AB plus BN, I can write it as BL. And CM, I can write it as CL. If we add these two, AB, if we add these two, it is BC plus AC, which is A plus B plus C, which is 2S. So AN is equal to S. So AN equal to S can be independently proved, or you can, after getting Y and Z also, you can be proved either. Something quite interesting compared to this previous figure and this. You take the incircle and this is ABC. At that time, this length is S minus B and this length is S minus C. This is S minus B, this is S minus C. When you take the X circle, we got this is S minus C and this is S minus B, reverse. So where X circle is touching, where incircle is touching, the two different points. Okay, first case it is S minus B here, S minus C case here. Second case it is S minus C here and S minus B here.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to erase. Anybody needs more time?
No, sir.
No.
Sir, last part don't erase it, sir.
Okay, okay. I need the whole board, so I still wait.
Yes, sir, you can erase it now.
Okay. Okay, I'll come back to the previous figure, and from there I want to prove one or two things. Okay, purpose I did not draw. Okay, somebody asking for exam properties of triangle is there. Yes, second exercise is not there. Exercise 10b, whatever we are discussing now, R1, R2, they are not there. Exercise 10a, sine rule, cosine rule, tangent rule, and all that is there. Okay, generally don't draw scalene triangle, don't draw equilateral triangle when properties of triangle, because in equilateral triangle everything looks similar. Scalene we have to see little things little more better. Okay, so this is in circle of a triangle. From here, this is one perpendicular, this is one perpendicular, this is one perpendicular, all are R. Actually, this is an angular bisector, and this is an angular bisector. This line is not angular bisector, that line meets somewhere else. Don't think this will go pass through this. That's why I wanted to draw scalene. It may look like equilateral, but okay, this is actually like this. Okay, this is an angular bisector where this is a by 2 and a by 2. This is angular bisector where this is b by 2 and this is b by 2. This is c by 2 and this is c by 2. Okay, this point is not where angular bisector is meeting the base. Okay, this is not that. This is just the perpendicular from here. Okay. Now, for small r, there are few more formulas apart from delta by s. That is s minus a tan a by 2. How to prove that is very simple. Sometime back we proved when this was, I gave names P here, Q here, R here. We got AR length as s minus a. And these two are s minus b. And these two lengths are s minus c. Okay. So if you take a triangle ARI, this is I. Triangle ARI. In that, this is s minus a, this is a by 2, and this is smaller. Okay. If I take tan theta, this by this will come. All right. Tan a by 2 will come r by s minus a. Bring here. We'll get r equal to s minus a tan a by 2. That is a formula. If I take triangle, this height is r, this is s minus b. If I take triangle BPI, r equal to s minus b tan b by 2 will come. And if I take triangle CPI, okay, some communist people may be happy to hear CPI, r equal to s minus c tan c by 2. Okay, these are some new formulas with the proof. Okay. But to be frank, even though they are derived from the figure like this, we can also forget about this figure. It's such an easy thing. Why? One of the formula for tan a by 2 is delta by s into s minus a also. Because cot a by 2, you remember s into s minus a by delta reciprocal. Okay. If you substitute delta by s into s minus a will cancel. Delta by s it is r over. No? Who cares? This is figure, this s minus a and all that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But one may ask where from somebody got, yeah, you manipulate, keep on manipulating, some more new formulas will come. Okay. Okay. So actually many times I did not teach from the figure. I thought, okay, what a big deal. I used to state the formula, start from RHS, use this formula, you'll get R proved. Okay. Another thing that can be done here is I am going to write small a is equal to BP plus PC. Okay. From this figure, instead of writing s minus s minus b, I want to write BP as r cot b by 2. Because if I take cot b by 2, I'll get this way. BP is r cot b by 2 and PC is r cot c by 2. This is from triangle BPI. This is from triangle CPI. I can take r common. We'll get cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2. And bring it down. You'll get smaller equal to a by cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2. This is also a formula, but we don't use that often. Okay. If they use also, we don't have to remember as such. We can derive cot b by 2, cot c by 2 formulas can be used as s into s minus by delta, s into s minus b by delta. Simplify, it will come. Okay. But you write this as cos by sine, sine by cos, write this as 2r sine a, and simplify all that. It is going to become, okay, from this I will get, I am not writing purposely the proof, but you just put an arrow and write, you will get 4 capital R sine a by 2, sine b by 2, sine c by 2. Is it sine or cos? Just a minute. Cos by sine, sine on. Yeah. Okay, so this formula is derived actually this way. First, this is proved. A wrote 2r sine a, this you write cos by sine, cos by sine. But I prefer, if at all you need to prove it, I'll just start with RHS. What is sine a by 2 formula? Square root of s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus c. Similar formula when you use for sine b by 2, sine c by 2, some will cancel. You will finally get s minus b into s minus c into s minus a by s cube. This part, only sine a by 2 into sine b by 2, sine b by 2. Multiply with one more s. Numerator is delta, denominator is s power 4. So inside the root, outside will come delta by s square. There is a 4r. Is this, did I write everything right? Sorry, this formula is wrong. Sine a by 2 is s minus b into s minus c by bc. And sine b by 2 is s minus c into s minus a by ca. And sine c by 2 is s minus a into s minus b by ab. When you simplify, you will get s minus a into s minus b into s minus c by abc. Okay, don't have to write this roughly, I'm explaining. You multiply with s here and divide with s. Here, divide with 4r and multiply with 4r. This will become 1 delta. That will become 1 delta square. Okay. And there is a 4r here. You can cancel all that. You'll get delta by s, you'll get r. Okay. So, because every time if you want to prove from the figure, first of all you have to remember this is this thing, and then do this and that you have to simplify. Here, already formula is there. Start with RHS, you know formulas for this, substitute it. Either way you do, doesn't matter. But originally, they say it is derived like this from the figure. Okay, purpose I am not giving details from here to here. Anybody can do it. Write cos by sine, sine by cos, simplify. Write A as 2 or sin A, you will get this. Okay. Like this, I want to derive a formula for R1 by drawing the other triangle, second triangle that we had drawn earlier.
Sir,
Yes, please.
in this exam till we have up to half angles, no sir?
Yeah, up to half angle formula, you're right. Except NA fully and related. Okay, if nobody announces any other class, my class will be there at 3:15.
Yes, sir. No problem.
If some other teacher announces something, please send a message to me. I think in a few days, your intermediate admission process will start. One may say our parents came and we applied. Okay. Yeah, government initially announced some kind of online way of doing admissions. Okay. That is the first time for your batch. But then there was a court case and all that. Yesterday or something hearing came, the final thing. They said online admissions, they're done in a hurry, which is not the right time, not the properly done. They can do in the next year. For you, like the previous years, only the admission. Okay. Now it is very simple. They will give one form. I think usually little yellowish color, one sheet will be there. You fill in all the details and you join. That's it. Maybe in few days they will tell you something about it.
Next year we are getting admission for previous year, sir.
As long as you join before March 31st, you are in the present year only. Academic year, not calendar year.
Sir, do you have any idea like when classes will open?
I think once this intermediate admission process is completed in a few weeks thoroughly, I think hostel and everything will be open. Okay. I think after Pongal, within a week or so, I think everything will start to.
Sir, second wave came, no, sir. Second wave came, no, sir.
Okay, that's only. After Pongal, we'll get an idea what is the status. Okay. How are the cases and what is happening to second wave and all. So, no, things are unsure. As things unfold, okay, we have to take on decision. Yeah, for seniors, offline classes are going on. Out of 40 students, some 10 are coming. That means 15 are coming in that, 5 or 6 are hostlers. Some day scholars are coming. Out of 40, I think 15 students are coming to the class. Some children want to come, their parents are not allowing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes parents are saying, okay, child may not be so much interested either. Okay. In one particular case, the father and mother are both are doctors. They are saying, don't go, things are very worse. The child is, he said, I am, frustrated at home, I want to go. Okay, all right. We need some way to bring out our energy, otherwise we will not be satisfied.
Yes, sir.
I am also quite scared to send my son outside to play with other children. So I also have to play with him.
Yes, sir. Table tennis. You are
Down
saying.
tennis.
Yeah. Oh, so many things we play anyway. That is just one of them. I made one zip liner at home when on
What,
balcony.
sir?
Zip liner.
Oh,
I
wow.
I'll send the photo. It will be very nice. I can take the video also. What I've done, I have a big balcony where from one end to other end I tied a rope, and I have a plastic piece, okay, hollow plastic pipe is there, not hard, soft. I kept on that. Okay, he will just hold here and he'll just go.
Nice, sir.
Okay, where are we now? Yeah, I was talking about other triangle, right? Okay, eccentre is somewhere here, which is actually the point of concurrence of one internal bisector and two external bisectors. And this is 90 here. This is 90 here, and what is this straight vertical? It's okay. This is not perpendicular line. Should definitely touch here. And angular bisector will be like this. Yeah. So because this is B, this will be 180 minus B. This will be 90 degrees minus B by 2. This will be 90 degrees minus B by 2. This will be 90 degrees minus B by 2. And this is A by 2 and A by 2. All of you know incenter is point of concurrence of internal angular bisectors, and excenter is a point of concurrence of one internal bisector and two external angular bisectors. This is I1. And what are the names earlier we gave here? This I think I gave L. This is M, and this is N. If you take triangle ANI1 and take tan A by 2, opposite side is R1 and adjacent side is AN. Okay, R1 by AN, and AN is S, we proved already some time back. So R1 is equal to S tan A by 2. And if I take this triangle BLI1, triangle BLI1, and you take tan 90 degrees minus B by 2. Opposite side is R1 and BL. And earlier we proved BL is S minus C, not S minus B, S minus C. This is cot B by 2. So you can bring here R1 equal to S minus C cot B by 2. And if I take CLI1 triangle, this is not C B by 2, sorry, I wrote wrong. C by 2, C by 2. 90 minus C by 2, 90 minus C. There. If we take triangle CLI1, tan 90 degrees minus C by 2 is opposite is R1, adjacent is CL, which is S minus B. So R1 is equal to S minus B cot C by 2. So we got three formulas: R1 equal to S tan A by 2, S minus C cot B by 2, or S minus B cot C by 2. Big triangle, huh? Okay, everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
We also want to create another formula where earlier we done BL plus LC is A, the same way. A equal to BL plus LC. Anyway, this is 90 minus B by 2, this is 90. I can even tell this angle is B by 2 also. Similarly, this is 90 minus C by 2, this is 90, this is C by 2. Okay. So from this small triangle where this is R1, okay. Anybody want to tell what is BL length?
S minus C, sir.
Forget about S minus C. I want in terms of R1 and angle B by 2.
R1 tan B by 2.
Yes. This will be R1 tan B by 2. And from this small right angle triangle, this is R1, this is C by 2. So this will be
R1 tan C by 2.
tan C by 2. This is from triangle BLI1. This is triangle CLI1. So A equal to R1 common tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2. So R1 is equal to A by tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2. This itself is a formula, but we don't use that often. Okay. And this one, when I simplify, write this as sin by cos, A as 2 or sin A, write sin A as 2 sin A by 2 cos C by 2 and simplify. I am going to get R1 equal to 4 capital R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Earlier for R1, R, we got 4 capital R all sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. For R1, angle A by 2 will come sin, other 2 will come cos. Similarly, R2 will be sin B by 2 will come, other 2 cos. And R3 will come, sin C by 2 will come, other 2 will come cos. Okay. This formula will use quite frequently than this one. Okay. Okay, to be frankly, the derivation is not so important. They are not going to ask in the exam. In general, they never ask till now. Okay. So it is more important to remember the formula here. You can have some idea about derivation, but unless asked, not a big deal. Okay, please copy all this. Then I'll just state two formulas. That means these formulas only in one proper order, some of them. Then we'll do questions based on it.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, I'm going to erase. Anybody want more time?
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. So one or two of these formulas, all these formulas I'm not stating, just few of them where we use more frequently for rest of the questions. Small r, we derived it as 4 capital R sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2. R1 is 4 capital R sine A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. R2 is 4 capital R cos A by 2, sine B by 2, cos C by 2. And R3 is 4 capital R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, and sine C by 2. Here all are sine. Here A is sine, here B is sine, here C is sine, and the other two are cos here. Anyway, in the similar lines, S also will come 4 capital R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. How is that? S is equal to A plus B plus C. You take 2r sin A, 2r sin B, 2r sin C common, you'll get sin A plus sin B plus sin C. According to transformations in a triangle, sin A plus sin B plus sin C is 4 cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. Okay, but this by 2 is also there. Okay. Okay, just they look similar, that's why I wrote. Otherwise, S equal to this, we don't use that often, so may not be so important. Okay, so based on these formulas, let me give some questions. Instead of saying show that, I'll just say using these formulas basically simplify R1 plus R2. And R3 minus R. Okay, I'm arranging these formulas on the top.
Sir,
Yes, please.
R1 plus R2 equals to 4R cos square C by 2.
Yes. 21 Roman 1.
R3 minus R1 equal to
R3
4R sin
minus
square
R is 4R sin square C by 2.
Yeah. This R1 is sin A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. This is 4 capital R cos A by 2, sin B by 2, cos C by 2. I can take 4R cos C by 2 common. I'll get sin A by 2 cos B by 2 plus cos A by 2 sin B by 2. That is 4 capital R cos C by 2 into sin of A plus B by 2. 4 capital R cos C by 2. This I can write sin 90 minus C by 2. That is also cos C by 2. So 4R cos square C by 2. So R1 plus R2 is 4R cos square C by 2. R3 minus R. This is 4R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, sin C by 2. This is 4 capital R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, and sin C by 2. Okay, after you writing the formulas, 4R sin C by 2 will come common here. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos A plus B. So this is cos of A by 2 plus B by 2. That is, you can write cos 90 minus C by 2. That is sin C by 2. Sin C by 2 into sin C by 2 is sin square C by 2. Okay, now 22 is quite easy. R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R. We already got this as 4 capital R cos square C by 2. This is 4 capital R sin square C by 2. If we take 4 capital R common, cos square C by 2 plus sin square C by 2 is 1. 4R into 1, it will be 4R. Of course, only 22 alone given, you have to really prove how this is 4R cos square C by 2 and how this is 4R sin square C by 2, you have to prove it. 23 also quite similar. It is R1 plus R2 minus R3 minus R. That is 4 capital R cos square C by 2 minus 4 capital R sin square C by 2. Okay, basically all these formulas I told you do by these formulas, it is easy. If you try to do delta by S minus and all, it will come, but quite lengthy it will be. This is a cos square theta minus sin square theta cos 2 theta formula. Okay, especially 21, is everybody able to follow this, that we just use the formulas, took whatever is possible to take common, some kind of sin A plus B or cos A plus B formula. Retamde, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
You're able to follow 21?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sandeep, roll number 372.
Sir.
You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, in 25th question, it is better to start from RHS, no, sir?
No, it's okay. Either way you can start, but for this transformations directly, it is 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2.
Yes, sir, that's what I use.
Yeah. Roll number 360. Did you try to call me yesterday?
No, sir.
Some group call came. WhatsApp group call. Yesterday and evening. Maybe by mistake. We don't need any kind of software for drawing the graphs, because with our understanding of the subject, we'll try to draw graphs on our own only. But anyway, people are using apps and all that. So the 3D calculator or many other things are there similar to that. And even 2D graphs also. So if somebody is interested, you just type in some graph. And the other day, Tanvi asked me, later on after the class is over, I thought of some different graphs which can be drawn there and we can visualize some. Actually, in some countries, you are expected to purchase graphic calculators. Okay, and calculator only top some screen will be there where you type in the equation down and graph will come on the top. There will be questions based on that. So people have to bring calculator to the classes. But in our system, we don't have that. So we don't need to. Tanvishri, your name is Tanvishri or Tanvishri?
Sir, it's just Tanvishri.
Tanvishri only. All right. You have a blackboard in your house?
Yes, sir, it's just a sticker.
Oh, okay. You can write on it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here in some questions, sometimes we are using the previous result, but in actual board exam, if a question is given, the previous result is not a formula, you have to derive it. For example, R1 plus R2 4R cos square C is not a formula. If standalone this question is given or this alone question is given, you have to prove all the details. Okay, up to 23, everybody completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 24 R plus R1 plus R2 minus R3 equal to 0 given. We already proved this is 4R cos C. Okay, cos C equal to 0 means angle C is 90 degrees. But if alone this question is given, how it is 4R cos C, we are supposed to prove it. I think this can be done by delta by S minus also. You can send one of them that side and do it. It's possible to do it. There is an example also, they are done like that, which is somewhat similar. Not exactly. Okay, 25 Roman 1. According to transformations, cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. You can multiply with capital R, divide with capital R. 1 plus 4 capital R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2 by R. And that is formula for small r. Okay, but sometimes this question will be given in IP exam for board exam for 7 marks. So what you have to do is, from here to here, whatever is required proof, you have to write all that also. Okay, it is not a formula that will take it. Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we'll just complete this 25th question and we'll stop the class for today morning. All these 4 questions are using this result only. For example, second one is sigma A cot A. This is cot. A I can write 2R sin A, and cot A I can write cos A by sin. Sin A and sin A will cancel. And 2 capital R sigma cos A. That is cos A plus cos B plus cos C. But cos A plus cos B plus cos C, just now we proved 1 plus small r by capital R. Take this capital R inside, you will get 2 into capital R plus small r. Once again, they may ask this question alone. So we have to prove from here to here, not just take it. But just now we proved it, so I'm right. Anybody want to give an idea how I can use Roman 1 result in Roman 3?
Cos A equals to 1 minus 2 cos 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1.
So cos square A by 2, you can write 1 plus cos A by 2. Yes, you're right. Cos square A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 plus cos square C by 2. Uh, 1 plus cos A by 2. This is 1 plus cos B by 2. This is 1 plus cos C by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 plus half of cos A plus cos B plus cos C. And that is 1 plus small r by capital R. When I take this, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be 2. and this into this will be small r by 2 capital R. BVP Kartikeya, how to proceed with Roman 4? Are you there, BVP Kartikeya, roll number 147 or something? Okay, you are there, but your voice is not clear. Is there? Okay. Tell me how to proceed with sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 plus sin square c by 2. Here we wrote cos square a by 2 as 1 plus cos a by 2. Like that, can we do something there? Okay, sending in the chart 1 minus cos a by 2. Okay, fine. Sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 plus sin square c by 2. You can write 1 minus cos a by 2 plus 1 minus cos b by 2 plus 1 minus cos c by 2. That is 3 by 2 minus half into cos a plus cos b plus cos c. And that is 3 by 2 into cos a plus cos b plus cos c is already proved as 1 plus, but there is a 3 by 2, right? Yeah. 3 by 2 minus half into 1 plus small r by capital R. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 1, and this into this is small r by 2 capital R. Okay, so we proved only one, that too we did not prove this result, we proved earlier, so I just used it. And same thing is used in the next 3 questions.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I did fourth one, sin square a by 2, 1 minus cos square a by 2, and I used the third result, sir.
Okay, anything is okay. But if this question alone given in the exam, okay,
Yes, sir, I'll do that.
better is to write in terms of this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right now, anything is okay. Okay, all right. As promised, I finished 3 minutes or 5 minutes before.